Sangeeta, your maths teacher. Today in this video we are going to study about supplementary angles. In previous video we have already studied about complementary angle, and this video we are completing these supplementary angles. Here you can see it very clearly, the definition of supplementary angles. As usually, to understand any topic or concept, first of all we try to understand the definition. Definition of supplementary angles. Two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. Here 180 degree is very important. Wherever the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree and they lie on the same straight line, such type of angles are called supplementary angles. Or if they won't lie on the same straight line also, when they add up to 180 degree are also called as supplementary angles. Here each angle is supplementary of one another. One more very simple definition here it is, you can see two angles that make up 180 degree are supplementary angle. It is very simple and easy definition. It is very useful for you. So if you want to take down the definitions, you can take down by pausing the video, and then we'll move with the examples now. Now, as per the definition, if you don't understand, I will give you some example to make you to understand this definition. Okay, we'll move with the example now. As we know that there must be two angles which when we add up it must be equal to 180 degree. So example here is, we'll take one examples. If I take any one example like if I take 90 degree, okay, what will be the supplementary angle for this 90 degree? Okay, let us find. As usually I have shown you the trick to find out the complementary angles in previous video. The sum of two angles was 90 degree and here the sum of two angles is 180 degree. So the trick is we have to take away this angle from 180, then we'll get the supplementary angle for this 90 degree. I will now just what do is I will subtract 90 degree from this 180 degree. Now what angle we are going to get here is 0 minus 0 is 0. In 8 it can't go, so make it 18. In 18 if we take away 9 then it will be 9 and here is 0. The remaining angle is 90 degree. So the supplementary angle for 90 degree is 90 degree only. Here how the angles we are going to get, let us find. Here you can see the diagrammatically, if one angle is 90 degree, then another angle which is supplement for this angle will be also 90 degree only. Those both when add up, then the complete angle is 180 degree here you get. And if I may name these angles like P, Q, R, S, then I have here the angles. You can see here clearly angle PRQ is equal to angle PRS. Both are 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. But in every situation we won't find there both the supplementary angles must be equal. For that type of example we'll take some more example. I'll show you different examples here. If I'll take another example like if I have here 30 degree, what will be the supplementary angle for this? Let us find. Now as per the trick 180 we'll write because the sum of two angles is 180 degree. In that one supplementary angle I have, for this angle I want to find the supplementary, then I have to take out 30 degree from this. Now subtract it, 0 0 get minus, then 0 only. 8 minus 3 is 5, 1 minus 0, nothing is there, means 0, 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 150 degree we get here. So here we got the supplementary angle for 30 degrees. We got here 150 degree. When we see with the diagrammatically, it will be more clear for you. So I want to show here you with the diagram. Here angle ABD is 30 degree and supplementary angle for 30 degree is 150 degree. Here you can see it, ABD is 150 degree. When we add 30 plus 150, we are getting here 180 degree. Both the angle are supplementary for each other. When we add these two angles, we are getting the angle DBC here, the straight angle, that is 180 degree. Here 30 degree is supplementary for 150 degree and 150 degree is also the supplementary angle for 30 degree. Both are vice versa here. Both are supplementary for each other. Here you can see ABC plus ABD is equal to 180 degree, that is angle DBC. 30 plus 150 is 180 degree. So supplementary angles are the angles when they add up each other, then we'll get the sum as 180. So here today's task what I want to give you is, here you must find the supplementary angles for find the supplementary angles for 65 degree. First question. Second question is find the supplementary angle for 110 degree. Okay, after finding the supplementary angles for these two, you can comment me on the comment box and send me the answers. Okay, now I hope you have all understood what are supplementary angles with the examples, and also I have given some example for you to do it and send me the answers in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Keep watching and keep sharing. Don't forget to press the like button and bell button to get the notification in the right time. Take care till then, bye bye.